Hi, it's Kerry. You're going to get to see all of these wonderful snakes today. I'm going on a snake hunt. This is a slippery customer. The green anaconda is a member of the Boa family and is the largest and heaviest known snake, not necessarily the longest. The rough green snake is a non-venomous North American colorbreed. It is sometimes called a grass snake or green grass snake. The black mamba is one of the world's deadliest snakes. The Sidewinder rattlesnake. It's a species of venomous pit viper. It is called a sidewinder because it uses a sidewinding motion to move across the sand. Let's look under here. The chain kingsnake is a harmless colorbreed species endemic to the US and Mexico. It's a favourite amongst collectors. The now extinct Titanoboa snakes were 42 feet or nearly 13 metres in length. By comparison, the largest extant or living snake are the reticulated python, which measure about 7 metres or 23 feet long, and the green anaconda, which measures about 17 feet or 5 metres in length. It's considered the heaviest snake on earth at 97.5 kilograms or 215 pounds. The boa constrictors are one of the largest snakes in the world, along with the reticulated python and anaconda. They are non-poisonous but just as deadly. And here's another boa. They ambush their prey, which means they will hide and wait for something tasty to go by and then attack. The black mamba is the fastest and second longest land snake in the world. Their name comes from the colour inside their mouths. Coral snakes are a venomous snake that live in North America. They are members of the cobra family. They have a pair of small hollow fangs to deliver their venom. Venomous snakes are classified into 2 taxonomic families: the leopards, which are cobras, king cobras, kraits, mambas, the Australian copperheads, sea snakes, and coral snakes. Then there's the viperets, which are vipers, rattlesnakes, copperheads, cottonmouths, and bushmasters. There's a third family containing rare fang snakes, the colourbreds, which include boomslangs, tree snakes, vine snakes, mangrove snakes, although not all colourbreds are venomous. The albino Burmese python. What a beautiful looking snake. This is a very rare snake. The Burmese python is one of the 5 largest species of snakes in the world. The Cobra Hatchling. This is a great model. You can see a split in the egg where it's just starting to hatch out of the egg. Green anaconda hunts on land and in the water, but prefers water where it can move with ease. It can stay under the water for 10 minutes before it comes to the surface to breathe. Green anaconda. The diameter of their body can be up to 12 inches or 30 centimetres. The red-bellied black snake. If you look closely underneath, you'll see it has a red belly. This is a white cobra. They would have trouble because they don't have any camouflage. It would expose them to predators and enemies and and make it hard for them to ambush prey. Rattlesnake. They are best known for and most easily recognized by their rattle. The rattle is made by segments of their tail locking together. The yellow ball python is a non-venomous constrictor. This is the smallest of the African pythons and is popular as a pet. With reproduction, some types of snakes develop the eggs inside of the female body, but in the end they give birth to live young. Most snake species, around 70% of them, reproduce by laying eggs, and 30% give birth to live young, like rattlesnakes, vipers, boas, and most of the sea snake species. The corn snake is a North American species of rat snake that subdues its small prey by constriction. They are popular as pet snakes. The brown snake is a venomous Australian snake. The cobra, when threatened, their ribs expand to make a hood. They make a loud, low hissing noise and they can spit venom up to 8 feet. Boa constrictors have small hooked teeth that they use to grab and hold prey. If their teeth fall out or become damaged, they can regrow them. Rattlesnakes are found in North and Southern America. I like this flexible one. Where the little dots are, it can bend. You can twist it round a tree or hang it from a rock. Lots of amazing snakes today. Subscribe and like if you like reptiles. Thank you for watching my videos. See you again soon. See you guys in my next video.